Who says you can't have cookies for breakfast and still lose weight? Make these easy 4-ingredient grab-and-go chocolate oatmeal cookies for breakfast. For healthy recipes and science-based and practical weight loss advice from a registered dietitian, me, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Thursday. My name is Adrienne. I'm a registered dietitian with a Master's of Science, a certified diabetes educator, and a healthy weight loss coach. I've helped thousands of people with their healthy eating and weight loss goals over the years, and I've been awarded the 2021 Consumer Choice Award for Registered Dietitian and Weight Loss Management. These cookies are perfect if you're always on the go and need a healthy snack or meal to keep you moving and satisfied. These are perfect to bring with you on your favorite outdoor activities. Each cookie is only 100 calories and is protein and fiber rich. This easy and chocolatey cookie takes only 4 simple, all-natural ingredients. This recipe uses oatmeal, which is a whole grain. Oats have soluble fiber to help reduce cholesterol levels and keep you feeling fuller, longer, and adds fiber to your diet to reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. Peanut butter provides healthy fat and plant-based protein. It also tastes so good and helps keeping you feeling fuller, longer. Bananas act as a binder and adds natural sweetness and fiber to the cookies. And chocolate chips just taste good. Each cookie is only 100 calories, has 2 grams of fiber, and 2.5 grams of protein. Grab a few of these for a healthy, delicious, and satisfying breakfast. You can take these with you on your favorite outdoor activities like hikes, bike rides, or camping trips. Let's get started. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of my easy 4-ingredient chocolate oatmeal breakfast cookies. For easy and delicious recipes to get you started, check out my free recipes, go to adriennerd.com or click on the link in the description below my video to get my recipes. Check out these other videos to get more tips and recipes on healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.